Friends, Namaskar. This is Dr. Bharath Chandra. Today I am doing fundamental analysis of another blue chip company, very famous company. The name of the company is Mahindra and Mahindra, short form M&M. Started in 1945, Ludhiana, Punjab. Promoters Jagdish Chandra Mahindra, Kailash Chandra Mahindra and Malik Ghulam Muhammad. Originally, the company was called Muhammad and Mahindra. Later became Mahindra. Why? Interesting story. For example, Malik Ghulam Muhammad, after independence of India, shifted to Pakistan and he became the first finance minister of Pakistan, and since he left India, his shares were taken up by Mahindra again and the company was called Mahindra. What is the business M&M is doing? Automobiles, cars, jeeps, tractors. Farm equipments like various machineries for planting and harvesting of crops. What is the shareholding? Who are holding the shares in India? For example, promoters are having 19.6% of the whole company's shares. Foreign institutional investors have 34.61%. Domestic institutional investors 25.17%, and others, me and you, retail investors, have around 20.62% of the total number of shares. Now, the net profit of M&M last 5 years. 2016, 2,708 crores. 2017, 3,151 crores. 2018, 6,851 crores. 2019, something to worry, 4,650 crores. And 2020, more things to worry. The company made a loss of 1,364 crores. So think before we invest. Think why it is making loss. Think whether it is worth investing. Even now, whether it's a good company, you have to do your own analysis. Now, face value of M&M is 5 rupees. Book value is 277. The industry PE, I mean to say the automobile industry PE is 42.08. Now I compare M&M with the other market peers and similar companies. M&M has a market turnover of 79,284 crores, whereas Maruti is having a turnover of 2,13,913 crores. Suppose you had purchased 100 shares in the IPO of M&M. We don't know when the IPO was given and we don't know what rate they had charged because it's too far away back in the history. We are not getting the statistics. 100 shares at the IPO today, how it has been converted to higher figure. 1980, they issued a bonus of 1:1. 100 shares became 200. 1984, 2:3 bonus, 333 shares. 1995, 2:3 bonus, it became 555 shares. 2005, again 1:1, it became from 555 to 1,110 shares. 2010, there was a split. 10 rupees share became 5 rupees share and 1,110 shares became 2,220 shares. 2017, one more bonus, 1:1, it became 4,440 shares. And hence, 100 shares of M&M at the time of IPO has become 4,440 shares. Now I am telling you what is the profit an investor must have done in M&M if he had purchased somewhere in January 2000. 10,000 rupees invested January 2000 at the rate of 56.67 rupees. Today if you sell, you get 1,11,871 rupees because per share it is 634. And then if you take the last few years, I mean last 20 years, CAGR, every year M&M has given a profit of 12.39% for the investors. But in the last 5 years, M&M profit has been almost at par. CAGR is at par, and hence you have to think very seriously whether to invest or not, whether the company would improve in the future or not. 52 weeks high, 648 rupees. 52 weeks low is 245 rupees. If M&M had not given any bonus or they had not split the shares, the 5 rupee share would have been valued at 28,100 rupees instead of rupees 634. How much dividends M&M has given in the last 10 years? I have presented a table in front of you. See it and see how much dividends they have been distributing over the years. Now I am showing you the graph of M&M for the last 21 years. See the graph, the ups and downs, and decide whether it's worth investing in M&M today. My dear friends, I had promised that for those people who will watch the whole video, we will give a small e-gift. The e-gift is waiting for you. It is a very small book, 5 secret features of WhatsApp you may or may not know, book number 7. You have got to do all the jobs which I am telling you. Otherwise, we are verifying. In case you have missed any steps, you are unlikely to receive the gift. First one, you must have seen the video completely. Second one, you must be a subscriber of Dr. Bharath Chandra YouTube channel. Third one, you must have pressed the like button. Fourth one, you must have written a good comment. Fifth one, you must have shared this video to at least 10 people so that they also watch the important details about M&M. And the last one, send us an email to successdigest@gmail saying that in the subject you should write ebook number 7. Then within the next 1 week, your ebook will come by email. And my dear friends, thank you for watching the whole video. Kindly follow all the procedure. You will get the ebook. Let me compliment all of you. Namaste.